Django's Object Relational Mapper, revolutionizes database programming by converting complex database interactions into simple, elegant Python code. This presentation will explore the conceptual foundation of object relational mappers, delve into Django models, and cover efficient data retrieval with the query set application programming interface. We'll also discuss create, read, update, delete operations, data relationships, and best practices for performance optimization. Django ORM simplifies database interactions by converting SQL queries into Python code. Instead of writing raw SQL, developers use Python classes to define database schemas, making code more readable and maintainable. This approach enhances security, reduces errors, and allows for database-agnostic development, bridging the gap between object-oriented programming and relational databases. Traditional database programming involves writing raw structured query language queries, managing connections manually, and facing structured query language injection risks. In contrast, object relational mappings allow you to write Python code naturally, handle connections automatically, and offer built-in security. This approach is database-agnostic, type-safe, and integrated development environment friendly, bridging the gap between object-oriented programming and relational databases. An object relational mapper, ORM, acts as a translator between the object-oriented programming world and relational databases. It allows you to manipulate database records using Python classes and objects, eliminating boilerplate code. This seamless translation reduces cognitive overhead, making database interactions more intuitive and efficient for developers. Django Object Relational Mapping offers a Pythonic application programming interface with intuitive syntax, making it seamless for developers. It's database agnostic, allowing easy switching between PostgreSQL, MySQL, and SQLite without altering code. Built-in security features prevent structured query language injection. Performance tools include query optimization and caching. Schema migrations provide version control for database structures. Django models are Python classes defining database tables. Each model attribute corresponds to a database field. For instance, the article model includes fields like title, content, and published date. Django automatically creates a table with an ID primary key and appropriate SQL constraints. The $$ method provides a readable representation, while migrations manage table creation seamlessly. Django offers various field types to suit different data needs. Char field is for limited-length strings, while text field handles unlimited text. Email field and URL field provide built-in validation. Numeric fields include integer field, decimal field, and float field. Boolean field manages true-false values. Date field, time field, and date-time field cover date and time, with options like Auto Now and Auto Now Add. Field options in Django models offer control over data handling. Null allows null values in the database, while blank permits empty form fields. Default sets initial values, and unique ensures distinct entries. Choices restricts values to predefined options, and dbIndex optimizes query performance by adding indexes. Django offers two primary methods for creating database records. The first involves instantiating an object and then calling save, allowing pre-save manipulation. The second, using the create method, is more concise, directly saving the object. Notably, Django auto-populates the ID field post-save, distinguishing between insert and update operations. Query sets in Django are essential for efficient data retrieval. They allow lazy, chainable queries that translate into SQL. Use article.objects.all for all records, get ID pine1 for a specific one, and filter is published true for conditions. Exclude with exclude title contains draft. Query sets are lazy, chainable, cached, and sliceable, enabling efficient data handling. Field lookups in Django allow for powerful filtering using Python's double-underscore syntax. For exact matches, use filter title, guide. For case-insensitive searches, use iExact or iContains. Comparisons like GT and LTE handle numerical filtering, while starts with and ends with enable pattern matching. These lookups transform Python code into efficient SQL queries. QObjects in Django allow for complex query logic, enabling OR conditions with key, and with and not with key. They support nested logic using parentheses, ideal for searching across multiple fields, user-defined filters, and advanced permission checks. For instance, filter articles containing Django or Python or those published in 2024. Updating records in Django can be done efficiently using single or bulk updates. For a single object, fetch it, modify attributes, and save. This is ideal for complex logic. For bulk updates, use .update to modify multiple records in one query, enhancing performance but bypassing model validation and signals. Deleting records in Django involves using the delete method. For a single object, it returns the count and a dictionary of affected models, aiding in confirmation and logging. Bulk delete efficiently removes all matching records in one query. Django respects foreign key relationships, allowing for cascade, set null, or protect behaviors based on the onDelete parameter. Foreign key establishes many-to-one relationships, crucial in relational databases. In Django, it links models like author and article. Access an article's author using article.author.name. For reverse access, use author.articles.all to retrieve all articles by an author. The related name parameter customizes reverse access. Otherwise, Django defaults to names like article set. The onDelete parameter in Django's foreign key field determines the behavior when a referenced object is deleted. Cascade deletes related objects, while protect prevents deletion if related objects exist. Set null sets the foreign key to null, requiring null true, and set default assigns a default value, needing a specified default. These options ensure data integrity and flexibility. Many-to-many field in Django allows objects to have multiple related objects, like articles and tags. You can add or remove tags using methods like add, remove, and clear. Querying is seamless. For instance, filter articles by tag name. Django manages these relationships with an intermediary join table, ensuring efficient data handling. Django's double underscore syntax allows intuitive querying across relationships. For instance, filter articles by author name with article.objects.filter author name John Doe. To find authors with published articles, use author.objects.filter articles is published true. When querying reverse relationships, apply distinct to avoid duplicates from SQL joins, ensuring accurate results. Django's aggregation and annotation tools enable efficient data calculations. Use count, AVG, max, min, and sum for operations like counting articles or calculating average content length. Aggregate returns a dictionary with overall values, while annotate adds computed fields to each object, such as article count or latest publication date for authors. The N+1 query problem can severely impact performance. Django's select related addresses this by using SQL joins for foreign key and one-to-one relationships. Instead of multiple queries, select related fetches related objects in a single query, significantly reducing database round trips. This optimization is crucial for efficient data retrieval in Django applications. For many-to-many and reverse foreign key relationships, prefetch related optimizes data loading by using separate queries. Without it, each author query triggers multiple article queries. By using prefetch related, only 2 queries are needed, significantly reducing database load. It supports Python side joining and can be combined with filters for efficient data retrieval. Transactions in Django ensure data integrity by making sure all operations succeed or fail together. Use 8transaction.atomic for decorators or a context manager for complex operations. If any operation fails, changes are rolled back, maintaining consistency. This is crucial for operations like creating articles with tags or transferring authorship. Use get or create to atomically check existence and create records, preventing race conditions. For upsert operations, update or create, updates, or creates records in one atomic step. For existence checks, prefer exists over count for efficiency. Utilize bulk talk create for mass insertion, inserting multiple records in a single query to enhance performance. Avoid duplicate authors by using distinct in reverse lookups to prevent join-induced duplicates. Cache query sets to avoid multiple evaluations, enhancing efficiency. Avoid modifying query sets during iteration. Use list for complex operations. These practices ensure optimal performance and maintainability in Django ORM operations. To deepen your Django object relational mapping knowledge, practice by building real projects like blogs or e-commerce sites. Explore advanced topics such as database indexing, custom managers, and query optimization. Use tools like Django Debug Toolbar to analyze queries and study Django's source code for a comprehensive understanding. Always prioritize readable, maintainable code over premature optimization.